Alright, this is just going to be a quick review of the PX22 headset, gaming headset from Turtle Beach, and I bought this specifically for use with the Rocksmith game because it does have the ability to tie into the analog output on my PS3. So I didn't want to go with a Bluetooth because I've read about delay, and I just wanted a headset I could use with Rocksmith. So let's go ahead and open this up and see how it works. Alright, so my first impression is that this is a nice product just based on the packaging alone. Everything has got its own little box. I assume this is paperwork. Let's take a look and see what's in this one here. Cables, as well as the adapter. And this is the type of adapter that allows you to tap into the RCA analog output. You know, you could go buy these yourself. I think you can buy these on eBay relatively inexpensive. But I wanted the headset itself. I have other games. And my kids play games, so I'm sure this is going to be a nice headset. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what the product itself looks like. It's got its own amplifier, which is another reason why I liked it. You can control the volume, the bass and the treble right there without having to make any adjustments or get up. And this is the headset itself. It feels like a nice quality item, and you can see it does have the mic. That's useful for playing other games, obviously not Rocksmith, but so let's go ahead and get it plugged in. I'll show you how to plug it in, and we'll test it out. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need to do, if you're not already using a surround sound or something that's utilizing the analog audio cables, is go to your sound settings, audio output settings, and make sure that it's set to audio input connector SCART. On the HDMI, obviously you're going to get the lag. So that's what we're trying to do here, is eliminate that, plus be able to use headphones. So go ahead and hit save on that. Okay, now I'm going to flip down to the PlayStation itself and show you how I'm hooking up the headphones, and we'll go from there. Alright, so you can see I have the HDMI as well as the analog out, and I do have video, and I'm going to be feeding out analog. That was the setting we just made. Now you'd want to do that and plug these into your surround sound if you're not already using Rocksmith in that way, and that'll help eliminate that lag. Okay, so then this is the cable that came with the Turtle Beach headset, and just keep in mind you can buy just this cable, and you don't need to buy the Turtle Beach headset to use headphones or have a split signal out of your analog. So you can find basically the same thing on eBay, but I needed a good headset anyway, so I'm just going to go ahead and plug this in here like that. Okay, so then the Turtle Beach headset actually came with kind of this long extension, like 16 feet I believe it is, along with this little, what they're calling the amplifier. So this headset's going to plug in here, okay, and this is what you could do with any headset you've got, okay, and then the Turtle Beach headphones themselves are going to plug into here. So, alright. Okay, so something I particularly do like about this is that you can leave this in place. So when I've got this up my bedroom right now, but when I'm downstairs I can just leave this plugged in to my surround sound, and then I can just come and tap into the headphone jack whenever I want to. Okay, but another cool thing you can do with this type of a splitter, you know, if you wanted to say use a union like this, okay, then you could actually extend the length of these cables. And then you can plug this into like an audio recording device of some sort. So, and you can even get adapters like these little 1/4-inch jacks too. If you were going into, say, like a PA system or some kind of a recording interface that required this. So, having your signal split off like this actually gives you a lot of possibilities. And you know, doing some recording, wearing the headphones all at the same time without delay. That's something I'm looking forward to doing. So I'm going to go ahead and try out the headphones and see if we can capture some of it on the camera. I'm not sure how that's going to work, but let's give it a shot. Alright, so something I didn't show was that you need to plug the USB cable in to get this amplifier working. And you can see this is actually quite nice. You can have volume, bass and treble right on your hip. You can also shut off the mic, which I've got it in right now. And it looks like you can also control the mic volume as well as chat volume. So this is actually kind of nice. You can hang it right on your pocket. So now I couldn't get the headphone audio to come through very clearly on the camera, but I have been playing a little bit with this headphone. It's quite comfortable. It's nice and light, which I like, and the audio is just great with it. So alright, so just to kind of prove that there's no lag, load up a tone here. And if you're new to Rocksmith, you can go into the tone designer and actually assign various tones to this joystick. It's not super convenient to do while you're playing, but you can just kind of load up tones that you like to jam out on to a certain preset on that joystick there. So let's just see here if we have any delay. Alright, thanks for watching. Hopefully this video's been helpful. Leave those questions and comments below. Again, I'm using the Turtle Beach headset, but it's not necessary to achieve the same thing. You could just buy the cable on eBay or various places, but this is a super headset, and if you need a gaming headset and one that works with no lag for Rocksmith, I would recommend this Turtle Beach set. So go ahead and leave questions and comments below. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button.